Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you can tell by the title of the video we're going to be talking about our day-to-day analysis on Book of Meme. If you're enjoying these updates, you just smash that like button. It goes a long way, but now let's waste no more time and get right in today's subject. So if we're looking at the overall markets, guys, what a great way to start off the week. We did see exactly what I spoke about yesterday. Obviously that $67,000 close yesterday was giving me a huge indication that, we're going to see a positive week ahead of us. And so far that did end up happening. If we're looking at the markets, we're seeing everything up, but, we're starting to see meme coins once again starting to gain traction, if you know what I mean. If you're looking at Bonk up 15.1%, if you're looking at Pepe up 10.2%, you're looking at WIF up 10%. You're looking at Floki up 8.9%. So, we're seeing a little bit of a shift happening once again. So, are we about to see another meme coin rally for the entire meme coin market? That's what we're going to discuss. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If we're looking at the price of, Bome right now, it's currently sitting at 1.43 cents. It's up 5% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're seeing a little bit of a lag when it comes to the BTC comparative side. So, market cap is just shy of $1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at 639.2 million. So what we're seeing happening right now is Bome is definitely reacting in a positive way to this Bitcoin momentum. But what is next? When are we going to see that breakout that, obviously everyone is anticipating? So that's what we're going to be discussing. Before I do get into that, though, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So I'm going to start off with this. So Dark Farms, the developer for Book of Meme, has, I'm sure if you are part of the community, what's going on at this point. But he's been doing a lot of auction for NFTs that he has created. So you can see this for yourself. This NFT right here sold for $260,000 USD, and as well as there was another one that sold for around like $180,000. And these are some massive whales that want to support the project itself. But guess what's going to happen with that amount? We're talking at roughly around $300,000, $320,000 that is going to be sent to Dark Farms. So he's indicated in the posts that he's going to burn that. What is that going to show? Again, we're talking about $350,000 USD. That is not a small amount by any chance. And the fact that this developer is going to come out and go ahead and burn that, will speak a lot of volume in the space, especially as far as meme coin market is concerned. That is a really good move, and I'm really liking that. So do let me know down below what you guys think about that as well. And there's also Dark Farms X Dika at NYC. It says April 3rd at 5 p.m. There's more information coming. You can pretty much see, mark your calendars. Event registrations opens today, actually, 4:20 p.m. UTC. So if you want to check this out, if you are around that zone, you might want to register. Why not? Yeah, that's really nice stuff. And things like this is what gets me excited. And the fact that Binance, the fact that the other big exchanges have listed this on the first day of launch, and the fact that this project made history, hitting $1 billion market cap, speaks a lot of volume. And I have a very strong hope that this project is going to do some amazing things. But with that being said, always remember, still a meme coin, and you need to learn what meme coins are. You need to learn what kind of risk is associated with meme coins, but I'm very optimistic, and as you guys know, I hold Book of Meme. But if you're looking at the overall meme coin market today, let's give it a refresh live. We're about to retest $64 billion in the combined market valuation for the entire meme coin market. But definitely right now you're seeing the last 24 hours are looking amazing. You're seeing quite a bit of green throughout the board. A lot of meme coins are starting starting to move. But you're seeing Book of Meme right now, not seeing those explosive moves like 10, 15, 20%, that we are used to seeing pretty much since its existence. But that's what I'm going to discuss right now. So sit back and relax and enjoy the show. So if we're looking at Bitcoin dominance right now, dominance is picking up right now, and this should not be coming as a surprise, but still nothing crazy, to the fact that we could be retesting 55k. I'm sorry, 55%. What am I saying? Too excited right now, so apologies on that. So we're still ranging between this level. This is a huge catalyst for altcoins still outpacing Bitcoin. Best way to see that is just look at the daily time frame. You're seeing majority of the altcoins outpacing Bitcoin right now, and that is all thanks to the dominance index. But now if we're focusing on BTC, on the other hand, remember the confirmation level that I was speaking about yesterday, the fact that if Bitcoin is able to break out a 68k mark, we could be in for a great day for Bitcoin, as we start out Monday, and that's exactly what we saw happening. And I would not be surprised if this week alone we see Bitcoin hitting an all-time high. So this is amazing, not surprised at that. But now let's take a look at Book of Meme. So everyone wants to know, why is Book of Meme not seeing those explosive moves? Guys, let's face it, this project came out of nowhere, gained so much traction, got listed on all the big exchanges, and despite that fact, it's holding really good above a key support line. And since yesterday, once again, if you picked up some Book of Meme at the support level, you did see this thing go up 16%. But what you're starting to see happen is exactly what I've spoken to you guys about before. We do have resistance around this level, and that's exactly where we saw the price, when Bitcoin broke out this morning. We saw Book of Meme spiking up to this 15.24 cents mark, but saw a rejection, but still ranging between this level of support. So the previous resistance has turned into support right now, but the main target you guys want to be looking at right now is this 15.27 cents level. If it's able to break out, I think we have enough volume, as well as we have enough bullish momentum on the side of Book of Meme to push this up to that 2 cents mark. So the 2 cents mark is where my eyes are glued at right now. That's a 40% move, and believe it or not, this can happen really fast, if we're able to break out of this key resistance. Obviously, there's going to be some people that are going to try to keep this price down. What I mean by people, this is market makers, massive whales, obviously on the futures side of things, that will try their best to keep this down. But if you're seeing these meme coins popping out right now, especially the big boys, and we're seeing the meme coin market cap combined, rising up pretty much where it was prior to that massive dip that we saw. This is speaking a lot of volume, and I think we will see Book of Meme breaking out sooner rather than later. And yeah, that's at the end of the day, one thing I really want everyone to understand, because I saw 2-3 comments. It wasn't on Book of Meme update. I think it was on another meme coin update. Oh, Crypto ZX, I bought this and it's going down. Well, you bought it. I'm not doing your due diligence for you. You're going to do your due diligence and research. If you watch any of my videos, I always say do your due diligence, research, and invest what you can afford to lose, and understand what meme coins are. You're not blaming anyone. It's all up to you. So you really need to understand what you're getting yourself into. But me personally, I'm speaking on my behalf. I think Book of Meme is looking bullish. It's reacting to the bullish momentum. But this is the resistance that you kind of need to look out for, and then I think off we go towards that 2 cents resistance. That is the next main target that I'm aiming. But like I said, if you guys agree with me, do let me know in the comments down below. If you guys have a different outlook, also let me know in the comments. But with that being said, we'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.